Hey everybody, what is going on? Yeah, long time no see. I know it's been a while since I made a video and it's probably been about a month, probably right at a month, if not over a month. And yeah, I just wanted to finally make another one for you guys and yeah, just kind of touch base, let you know what else has been going on, in particular with the hair system. So yeah, first and foremost, let me get it out of the way. As you read my title on this video, yes, I finally did it myself. What did I do myself? Well, I got that proverbial monkey off my back. I actually did the whole maintenance, the attachment, reattachment, rebonding, the whole 9 yards all by myself this morning, and it took me a good while. It was not fun. It was very tedious. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It sucked, but I did it, and I'm going to save a buttload of money now because now there's precedent that I did it. Hold on. Okay. Because now there is precedent that I've did it. Now that I know I did it once, now I can go ahead and do it over and over again and save a ton of money. No going to the salon for me. Yay. So yeah, I'm going to be saving all this money from going to the salon and paying $200 a month to get everything done. Well, no, it's actually about $70 per time, but $200 to get it, or she raised it to $200 to get it cut in every time now. So yeah, that is it. So I am done. I did it myself this morning, took it off. It took a while, but I'm glad I finally did it. This is the kind of the style I've been rocking now since I think the last video I made was talking about how I went to Great Clips and got like a $9 haircut, and I got it cut shorter. And let me tell you that getting my hair cut shorter is the best decision I made since getting a system. One second. Oh, sorry about that. It was awkward. But yeah, that is the best decision I made since getting a hair system, is getting my hair cut shorter. But if you saw my other earlier videos, I would rock a lot of styles, like a lot of variations of longer hairstyles, which I just didn't care for because it's just, they look good, but they were really hard to maintain. It was hard to keep the same style every day. And ever since I got it cut this length, man, I love it. It styles this same exact way every day. It doesn't like change. Because when you have longer hair, it's hard to get a consistent style because there's so many, the longer your hair is, there's so many factors that can actually factor how it styles every day. So yeah, this is it. And like I said in my other video, the girl with Great Clips, I mean, for a $9 haircut, look how well like she blended in the sides here. I mean, look how good. And like there's the hairline. But yeah, I mean, she really did a bang up job. And even the back, I mean, you can kind of see how well she blended in the back there. But yeah, I mean, and I'm not bragging on myself, I'm bragging on her because this was all her, the way she styled and blended it in. But this is the perfect length, I think, in my opinion. You know, the longer hair, it looks good, and in theory it looks good, but in practice, it's just, the shorter hair is the way to go. I haven't been happier since I got my hair system. You know, getting the hair cut shorter has really been so much better. So much better. Best decision I made since getting a system. I just wear it like this every day. And believe it or not, I don't use products anymore. That's another thing I want to talk about. I'll be honest, and another thing, guys, I don't even shampoo or condition anymore because I don't have to. I felt the shampoo and conditioner was really drying it out a lot and making it stiff. And so I'm doing I'm not even using styling products. I literally wake up in the morning, I have a spray bottle with water, I spray my hair wet, and then I blow it in place to the desired style, which is this one, and it stays there like this. Because you know why? Because it's shorter, and the shorter it is, the easier it's going to stay in place like that without having to use product. The longer your hair is, you're going to be using a lot more product. So very, very, very good decision of me getting my hair cut short. It's been over a month since I did. Don't regret it one bit. This is a style I'm going to be going with permanently. I absolutely love it. And it's just so much easier to maintain. It looks more natural for someone at 35 years old. That's my age. And I just love it. But yeah, this is it. This is the style that I'm rocking now. Again, you can see from the side, she really, I mean, it blends perfectly. I mean, I'm letting my side hair grow out, side and back hair grow out as well. So that's really gotten a lot longer too. The sides and back of my hair, as if you notice, so it's blending in a lot better. One thing I've noticed with these hair systems, and I used to do it too when I first got my system, is I would have the hair really short on the sides and back. And I just come to find with these hair systems, especially being, you know, in your mid to late 30s, middle ages, short, sort of, give or take, it's just better to let this length grow on the sides and back because it's going to just blend that much better and look more natural like it does now, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, this is it. Again, got it cut short, won't look back, don't even think about looking back. This is just the way I'm going to rock it because I love it. It's easier to maintain. It just looks great, feels great. Even in the shower, it's just a game changer. When I shower, it just glides through so easily. It doesn't get tangled as easily. I just love it. But yeah, back to doing what I did. So yeah, I did it. My other videos, I talk about how I'm not going to ever do it myself because I'm too scared. It triggers my anxiety. But I got to a point where it's like, listen, I'm spending so much money, and think about all these other cool things I could be doing with that money. I mean, it almost comes out to be a couple thousand a year if I just keep going to her month in and month out. So I was like, I bit the bullet. I did it. I took the thing off. I cleaned my head, cleaned the unit, did the whole 9 yards, reattached it. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. There's no way to sugarcoat it because it sucks. The process sucks. It's really one of those things where you have to accept it. It's one of those trade-offs of doing this and having a hair system there's really no way around to say it, but it sucks. It's getting because I use a full bond. I don't use tape at all. I use a full bond on the whole unit. So at the end of the month, I do it once a month. That's how often I do it, once a month when I maintain it. When I take it off, there's so much adhesive you got to work through and get out and work through and get out. And it's just so much. So yeah, it was just a lot. But I went through it. And honestly, it was taxing because this was my very first time doing it. It's going to get easier, no doubt about it. But I had to take it in increments. I had to take a mental break and a physical one. The first step I did was cleaning the unit and cleaning the hair off. That is by far the hardest part, is cleaning the unit completely clean and getting all the adhesive off it and cleaning your hair. Honestly, I thought it was going to be opposite. I thought the hardest part was going to be, putting the new bond and reattaching it and getting it just right. That was 30 seconds. That was simple. I literally, what I do is I take the unit and I take a paintbrush with the Ghost Bond Platinum, and I literally just cover the whole base of the unit with the Ghost Bond Platinum until every inch of it is white. I let it dry and I just put it on and bam. Now, I will say this, it's not perfect. There are some wrinkles throughout and when I feel it, but honestly, I don't care. I mean, when I did go to her, she did it perfectly. There was no wrinkles whatsoever. There's wrinkles. There's some bubbling up. There is. I don't care. You can't see it. It's impossible to see. I mean, look, can you see it? Even if I move it around, you can't see it. No one's going to see it. You can barely feel it unless you rub your hand like that through it. And it's not, in a perfect world, I prefer to just have it perfectly even with no bubbles or wrinkles at all. Absolutely. But again, saving the money that I'm saving, I'll do it myself, or first time I'll do it. As long as the hairline looks legit, I don't care what's going on under here behind the scenes on the top. If it could be wrinkled, as long as it doesn't damage the unit, which I don't think it does. If it does, let me know. I could be wrong and I stand corrected. But yeah, it's not perfect. There was some bubbling up right there that I fixed. You could probably still see it a little bit on the hairline. Maybe not. But yeah, it's not perfect, but it's on there good. It's on there secure. I did it all myself. And yeah, I did it. I finally took the plunge and I did the whole maintenance by myself. Excuse me. And it wasn't fun. It's a good thing. And thankfully, I do these once a month. I'm going to do the maintenance once a month, not every 2 weeks. So it's not as bad considering it's only a once a month thing. But it wasn't fun, man. It's one of those things that you have to tell yourself, okay, this is one trade-off of having a hair system is once a month you're going to have to deal with this very, very tedious process that you'd rather be doing anything else in the world but this. But it is worth the trade-off. It is still, in my mind, 100% worth the trade-off. I'm not going to sugarcoat it and be like, oh, well, it wasn't that bad. There's worse things in life. I could have gotten waterboarded. Sure, waterboarding and getting tortured is probably a lot worse. But yeah, doing this it's tedious. Getting the worst part is getting the adhesive off the unit itself, because it's like you got to be real careful. You can't be too hard on it. And it's just so tedious spraying it with the C22, getting it off, washing it, spraying it again, and getting off. It sucks. The maintenance, that part of it where you do the full reattachment, detachment, will it get better? I'm hoping so. I'm thinking so. Once I have more practice, will it be faster? It took me a grand total of 2 hours this go around. This was my very first time doing it. But again, I did it. That's the main thing. That's the main headline here is I did it. I did it well. This is me. This is the end result of me doing it all on my own. I did it about 7 hours ago. And yeah, I have it on and this is all me. And I did it, thank God, because it's going to save me some money and a little bit more time and effort, but I think it'll be worth it in the end. But yeah, I finally made the plunge and did the full maintenance myself. And yeah, just wanted to touch base with you guys.